I really, people can do what they need to do. Like I said, I'm just out for drives. So.
They're not even open. Cafe Archibald. They're not open
Well,
either.
some of them aren't open because there's no way to get into the places. Like,
I think the only place you're going to be able to get to today, Mike, is a fast food place.
oh, I don't care.
Oh yeah, how many kilometers did we go that day?
We walked all
You
over the
didn't map
place.
it out.
I didn't, but I can do it. I never,
Do you remember where we went?
I just went up and down several roads, so I just have to look on the map. It's just not slippery, considering I'm actually spinning my tires in four-wheel drive. It is in four-wheel drive, yeah.
Well, it better be four-wheel drive. When the wind dies down in that, will you show me how to use the snowblower?
Yeah.
For just in case?
I gotta get it fixed there in the spring. Well, sometimes when you put it in gear, it doesn't move. It kind of sits there and hesitates and then goes. I don't know if something needs to be adjusted.
Should it be under warranty? What do you mean no?
There's only a year warranty on it. What difference does it make? They're not expensive to fix. It might cost like a couple $100, whatever. For $1,000 snowblower,
It shouldn't break.
Well, it's not broken. It just probably needs to be adjusted.
How much was it?
That snowblower was about $1,200.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
So we better not fucking break.
What part of it's not broken? You
Okay.
don't understand. It needs to be adjusted, I think.
Ah.
It's always kind of
Well,
done
you'll
it.
definitely need to get a winky thing. That's easy to fix.
Well, it's
You're
always
doing a
done
good job
it.
on that thing. Huh?
The way that thing beats it through snows, there's no surprise that it needs a little bit of work. Works better than the other two that were out there. They had to shovel it and then snowblow it. I didn't have to shovel anything. I just,
What's up with that?
because I've got like a heavy duty snowblower.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, lots of people do that.
Let's put it on the other side of the street. Why is an old lady going out in the snow?
I don't know. They're precisely the ones that should stay home.
Oh my god, buddy. You poor guy. Yeah, I don't think we're going out for coffee with Nina there tonight.
No. Probably not wise.
Yeah, that's one thing I did miss. I can't even get through the front door. That's one thing I don't miss is the fucking parking.
Wow, this is interesting.
I hope there's no car coming around the
I
corner.
hope so too. Wow, it's like
Really?
it's like a little lane. Well, it's drifted and they haven't come and replowed it.
I think they only plowed it once.
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh. Well,
It's a good thing I have a truck, because look at
and
this.
then this. What is this?
I don't know, but I'm going to have to drive through it.
What the fuck is that? Okay. This is the worst road yet.
No, that's why I'm up in my four-wheel drive pickup truck, because I just power through it.
I feel like my eyes are hazy.
It is. It's almost like, have you ever heard of snow blindness?
Oh, I feel like I've got that right now
Well,
because I'm having
yeah.
a really hard time. Oh, really, people? Really?
Yep.
Why? Oh, they're probably doing this parking lot. Yeah.
Just,
there's a tractor coming.
tractor's zero.
Couldn't have slowed down at all, bud.
Nah, he's in too big of a hurry to go to the next place to clear.
I'm sorry, I had to. My eyes are burning. And I'm snow blind.
Oh, yeah. There's definitely snow blindness going on
And
here.
it's bright for some reason.
Well, it's because it's still blowing around.
Oh, I gotta take that off for a minute. My tube is too hot. No games. No Heinz. Mike, I think the city shut down. I don't think there's any more city left. I think it's disappeared under a big ass blanket of snow. There's a lot of trucks on the road.
That's what I was going to say. The majority of what you're seeing are trucks. Which, if you're driving down the roads I'm going down, you better have a truck or a Jeep or something that's four-wheel drive.
Oh, they did Mountain Road really good. The only problem is you can't get the Mountain Road if the other roads aren't done very good.
Even Mountain Road's not great.
Well,
to be honest
no.
with you.
I mean, they've done their best of what they can
Well,
do.
it's so windy out. They can't put salt and sand down. It's waste.
I think tomorrow's supposed to be warmer. No, -9. I feel like -12. That's not too bad. Sunny. -6 on Thursday. Sunday looks like a really nice day to go for a walk, Mike. -5 with a little bit of flurries. That's not bad. And it'll feel like -9. I think that's going to be our walking day. Does that work for you?
Yeah.